It's time to review the most basic, boring fucking thing. The alarm clock. Yeah. I had to get one of these and then I got it. So it's, been fucking with it. Um, that does that. I like it like that. It's pretty cool. It's chill. It's like not. It says change the color. It does not change the color. It changes the brightness. Ooh, there we go. And then we got radio banger. Ooh. No, I don't like that. Put it off. Shut it off. Stop that from happening. Turn that off. We can turn that one off now. We can turn. We can. Jesus Christ. We could turn that one off now. Fuck. What button was that I hit first? The shit was good. You know what? My product review for this is fucking 0 out of 10. Fucking hell. Unplug the. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna be breaking that within a week. Alright, yeah. 0 out of 10. This fucking thing. Fuck.